The numbers say they're slacking. But here's what the numbers didn't show until we looked deeper. Low activity is easy to spot. But without context, it's just noise. What if the problem isn't effort, but everything around it? This team wasn't idle. They were trapped. System friction, access delays, broken tools, hours spent trying to work, not avoiding it. When we map behavior patterns, we see effort, just not where it should be. Less output doesn't mean less work. Sometimes it means more resistance. With the right data, you stop blaming the people and start fixing the process. You restore productivity by removing friction, not by pointing fingers. Don't blame the user, check the system.